Hello everyone, I, Neha Tripathi, welcome you all to my channel managementeducation.com. Today, I am going to discuss the topic about performance appraisal. But before going to performance appraisal, let us know what is a strategic human resource management and why this topic performance appraisal system is so important in this strategic human resource management. स्ट्रैटेजिक को अगर हम अलग कर दें और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट को अगर हम एक टर्म ये पूरा अलग कर दें और फिर उसमें से HR वर्ड निकालें तो वेयर दिस HR वर्ड हैज़ बीन कम फ्रॉम. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द ह्यूमन. ह्यूमन मीन्स व्हाट? पीपल हु आर वर्किंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कह सकते हैं जो इंसान किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं हम वर्ड उसे ह्यूमन कहते हैं. इन अ सिंगल एज एन इंडिविजुअल अगर उनको डिफाइन करें ह्यूमन. रिसोर्सेज का मतलब होता है इट इंडिकेट्स द अवेलेबिलिटी एंड स्केर्सिटी ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एनी गुड्स सर्विसेज और वर्किंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सपोज हमारे लिए हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ भी इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एन एसेट, इज़ एन काइंड ऑफ अ रिसोर्सेज. इसीलिए ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट वर्ड हैज़ बीन कॉइन्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड मैनेजर. मैनेजर who see the entire activities which is being conducted inside the organization and try to manage and coordinate and control all the activity smoothly and run the organization objective very on time and with the minimum cost of productions. अगर हम इसको एक proper definition में अगर quote करें, that is human resource management is a process of acquiring, training, appraising and compensating employee and attending to their labor relationship, health, safety, fairness concern. Definitely this all things is being come under the human resource. Definitely every HR has a main agenda that there should be the equality and fairness amongst the employee, and also every employee should be get motivated with the help of this performance and appraisal systems only. And after preparing this performance appraisal, we going to convert that performance appraisal into reward, whether in the monetary form or non-monetary form. But main agenda for the any human resource management department is to just achieve a goal, motivate the employee, attract and retain the employee, and also adapt the various HR policy and practice and synchronize according to corporate activities and gain the competitive advantage and improve the quality of work. This all responsibility is being performed by the HR department. Now, the next coming video will tell you more about what is HR is. But before we going to next video, I want to tell that the founder of the HR is George Elton Mayo. He is the one person who understands the importance of HR. Let's see what Elton Mayo has done.
The father of human resource management is George Elton Mayo. अगर हम ये जानें कि human resource management कहाँ से आया and who was the founder, as I've said, George Elton Mayo ने HR वर्ड को इन्वेंट किया या एक तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पिलर बनाया. Elton Mayo has went to his most famous experiment and those at Hawthorne work of the electric company in Chicago between 1924 to 27, and he undertook further experimentations to find out what effect fatigue and monotony had on the job productivity and how to control them through varying rest break, working hours, temperature, humidity. Modern human resource has gained a permanent role within the organization during human relation movement initiated during the late 1920. और ऐसे हमारे वहाँ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ह्यूमन रिसोर्स एक बहुत ही अहम रोल प्ले करने लगा फॉर मैनेजिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग द स्टाफ एंड द मेंबर हु आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन द. आपका मेरे चैनल managementeducation.com पे एक बार फिर से स्वागत है. हालांकि हम लोगों ने पहले भी पार्ट 1 में इस बारे में डिस्कस किया था टॉपिक परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल. पार्ट 2 में हम परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल्स के टाइप्स एंड टेक्निक्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. As we have discussed that there are two types of measuring the performance of the employee, that is traditional or past oriented technique and modern and future oriented techniques. If we see very carefully, let's see in the video that what are the types of traditional and past oriented techniques. Like A, graphic rating scale method. As we know, it is a linear and simple rating scale method. As we know that earlier people with the help of the graphs in form of tabular bar or straight line graph, we used to measure of the performance of the employee that they have performed in the whole year. And slowly and gradually we start adopting some more methods like paired comparison method, which is straight ranking method, where we compare two individual performance or two individual substance, and then we make out who performed the better. Now we went talk into modern method of performance appraisal, management by objective. By Peter F. Drucker, it is the individual appraisal method which is determine the task related result. Definitely the person will going to judge or they going to be scaled based on their performance that they have performed the whole year. Whether the self determination is also very much important. So with the help of the 360-degree appraisal, we can self determine that how we have performed till date, like multi सोर्स फीडबैक एंड मल्टी रेटर मेथड. आई होप आपको मेरा ये वीडियो ज़रूर अच्छा लगा होगा. आपको आगे और भी इंटरेस्टिंग और फैक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू मैनेजमेंट का पता चले.